Hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Yes, so give me a sec. All right. Welcome, welcome. Can you guys hear me? Please let me know in the comments right now. Okay. So we have Shamo and Nax naman first, no? Welcome. Sage and then Lynch. Welcome, Lynch. Yeah, kumusta? So how's your portfolio going right now, guys? If you were able to buy Bitcoin and all the coins that I have, that I have shared and mentioned during our last year lives, diba? Like we were talking since September, right? September live, October live, November live. I have been telling you that that was the moment of you to be investing in crypto. Yeah, remember that? Because if you think about it, just one of the coins that I have gave was DOT. Yeah, one of the coins that I have gave. And I have stated this that anywhere below, anywhere below 4 of that was a buy. So if you think about it, guys, 4 is roughly around here. And as you can see, the date below right here, this one is during August last year, September, October, even at November, guys. I have told you to buy dot. Not only that, there's a lot of other crypto coins, diba? That I have mentioned that time for you to buy, and those coins are literally at the bottom prices. Yeah. And so for those who were, able to get into this at these prices, congratulations. Okay? Just by that only, trust me, if you have a big proper portfolio in your holdings right now, I don't think day trading, you're gonna be doing day trading anymore. Not anymore. Because a portfolio, let's say minimum like 100,000, okay, at that starting point would be like half a mil right now. Half a mil with all the prices that I have given out last year. That is what I have said, yes? So, congratulations again, everyone. All right, so good evening, Crypto MD. Yes. Um, Crypto MD, what color Lambo you buying, Miss Mayari? I was thinking private jet, Char. But let's see. I haven't thought about it yet. My full focus is, with the bull run that is coming up. Anyway, so Lynch, hello, hello. Yes. So Lynch was there. Yes, correct, Lynch. Last year, I was telling you guys to buy around those areas. Not just that. I also gave Link. I also gave Aave and all of those other coins, right? And Lynch in here was able to enter that at around 4. 4. So you're welcome, Lynch. I'm so happy. Okay, so for those who are watching right now, and if this is your first time in cryptocurrency or second time, let's say, and you still doesn't know how to, grasp the market, um, I'm here. Okay, so we're gonna be doing live. I will be doing live, yeah, every other day now, and I want you guys to just stick with me, and we're gonna print money the same way how we print in premium. In premium, for those who does not know, all right, we have a bull run plan in there. So all of the coins that I am personally holding and all the entries, I give it out. So premium members gets to enter with me, and at the same time, when it comes to exiting it by then, I will post it out. Simple as that, guys. You don't have to do anything. You just have to copy all the bull run, bull run coins. So hello, Seaweed. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. So let's talk about Bitcoin this time. Yes. Every time for the even last year, no, not yeah, last months. My bad. We always talk about Bitcoin. Why is that? Bitcoin, guys, is the one that's going to lead the market, and it is clearly leading the market. Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have to, understand that. So for today, I'm gonna do our last TA, which was March 11. Let's see right here. This one is gone. Yeah, we discussed this last session. Okay, this one as well. This was February 28th. Pretty, ano na, pretty long data. So now, as I have stated last live, Bitcoin literally just broke the all-time high, meaning that we just entered price discovery. Now, this price discovery, as I have said last live, is that it's the first time that it has happened before the halving. So for those who does not know, halving is gonna happen this let me adjust, guys, April 22 to be exact. Okay, April 22. So we have roughly 35 days. Okay, again, guys, okay, if there's any miscount in here, just do. But roughly around this time, okay? April 22, everyone, is gonna be the halving. But then again, like I said, in the historical data of Bitcoin, pre-halving, okay, we usually do not or we never broke any all-time high. This is the first time that we broke all-time high, and I have stated, possible reasons why it has happened. like ETF, major companies getting into Bitcoin, not only retail traders now, normal people, but like big companies, banks, countries, everything. Now, with the price discovery, forget about the halving. The thing in here is that you cannot really estimate the possible rejection. So that's why I have given out by Fibonacci. Remember? So if we'll recheck this one, I have given out roughly 78 to 80. Again, this can be invalidated again. Because if you think about it, guys, we do not have any historical data with Bitcoin to, at this point, we're literally like blinded. We don't know when is the Bitcoin gonna have reject. It can literally reject right now, you know, or possibly go 100K. So, what I'm trying to say in here is that for people who are able to buy like Lynch at prices like this, guys, anywhere four or anywhere seven good prices right now, I'm telling you, it's not your time to, to sell those coins. Not yet. Because Bitcoin is literally at the price discovery and altcoins have not yet moved. Clear? So, for those who wants to buy into crypto, for those who are late, diba? Just now you guys are entering. Um, with Bitcoin, I do not recommend it because the possible ROI or return on investment is maximum. Okay, let's talk 100K. It is just 35,000. The downside from here can be equally so. Clear? If you were able to buy Bitcoin around these prices at 22, okay, this one is even 40. But I'm talking 22, 29 because this was the level. Can you guys see the date below? September, October, right? I have stated Bitcoin is bullish. All throughout since last year, I have stated that Bitcoin is bullish bias. So if you were able to get around here, can you see the return? That's almost 200. That's what I'm talking. So if you guys are entering just now into Bitcoin, I do not recommend to get into Bitcoin, but rather I can recommend you guys to get into Ethereum. Okay? For those who are late, Ethereum. Ethereum, even BNB has left. Okay, let's shift this one to priority. Can you guys see this? BNB? Yeah? Left. It's gone. Now, what are the coins that we can possibly hold on to? Later, I'll discuss, guys. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin for now. Yeah. So, with that said, let's see again, I'm gonna do the trend based. So everyone would be able to see the rejection. Can you guys see this again? 1.618. This is the rejection level that I am expecting for Bitcoin. Again, it can invalidate and probably shoot up around 100. Possibly can do. Because, guys, we're literally at price discovery. There's nothing right now that can, tell you right away that it's gonna have the rejection or like right here. No, it can shoot up right now and possibly reject at the same time right now. Now, listen up everyone. If you can see by the right here, by the 1.3 guys, it's not highlighted yellow or gold in a sense that it's not that not important, but like not as powerful as this, this levels. But then again, I'm gonna take this one in consideration in terms of the closing of our weekly. Okay? Because any weekly closes below here, that candle is not gonna look good. It's gonna look something like this. Okay, let me try to draw it for you. And then this is the below the, 1.3, and then let's give it with a wick like this, to the wick like something like that. Can you guys see that? Yeah. It looks like a what? Looks like a pin bar, right? Does not disregard the color, okay, of the candle. Yeah, but it looks like a bearish candle at this point. So, guys, I want you to observe the weekly candle. We have 4 days and 11 hours to go to close. Okay, do the same trend based fib or whatever, or just simply mark this line right here. What line is this? 71,700. Okay, mark that line and see the weekly candle close. Okay, so if that happens, I'm telling you, there's a high chance that Bitcoin is gonna hover down. It might not reject properly as we are expecting to, like something like that. It can possibly slow down, given that again the halving is coming up. Okay? The next few weeks right now is really important. So I want you guys to be watching the higher time frame, weekly, 3-day, daily. Ignore the, anywhere below 1 hour. It won't give you anything right now. Okay, I'm talking long term, long term approach. So 4 hour, as you can see right here, we have multiple rejection. March 11, March 12, multiple rejection. We also did a, taking out. Can you guys see the scam wicks? There's a lot of scam wicks as we approach the highest level of Bitcoin right now. Can you guys observe that? Yeah. We are like taking out the, yes, sir. We're taking out the longs. At the same time, we're taking out the shorts. So right now, this is the 4 hour candle, and if we'll see the daily has not yet closed. Remember where the 4 hour candle was having that tension? It was around here, and if I'll open it at the daily, okay, daily can literally close below this tension area. Can you guys see that? So if we see or close the daily below this, I'm telling you, it can have a retest by the all-time high. Okay? Retest by the all-time high. So, let me see. So far, this is the first time in the daily time frame, guys, that Bitcoin is now finally having the divergence. First time, I'm telling you, on the RSI. So far, when we were at the 51 all the way to 70, wala, guys. There's nothing. Can you see this? I'll mark, this one to that one, everything is pretty normal. Now, when we got to this like peak of like all-time high to the, price discovery where we at right now, let me drag this. We are having a divergence, everyone. First time for Bitcoin, and not only a lower time frame, it's a daily time frame. So, that's one thing to note for everyone. So, guys, I'll write it down also in here. March 11, day 1, bearish divergence na tayo of the RSI. Okay? I do not consider, oh, miss, we are at the oversold region. Yes, we are, but I do not consider it. At this point in parabolic movements, I consider divergences, guys. Any malfunctions in both indicators and, candlestick, okay, that we can base off, right? And as we can see, even the histogram of the MACD right now is having a divergence. Yes, we are trading upwards, as we can see that, everything. But at the same time, guys, you have to understand that much we go up, the quickly we drop. Okay? So, let me move this. Sige. Oh, why is this one in here? Where is it? Nawala yung ano. Okay, let me put back our notes. Okay, March 11, daily bearish divergence tayo of RSI. Okay, guys, maximum rejection, it can push through, okay, but maximum rejection that it can hit is the 1.618 of the Fibonacci. Let's put this one as well. Let's name it as well, okay, for reference. Right. So let me see the comments right now. I want to see. Lynch, I highly suggest purchase premium member, guys. Lesson bull run plan and quality signals all in one. Yeah. Guys, it's just $30. Guys, premium is just $30 and you get three that you should be having in crypto. Intraday, bull run plan, and at the same time, the valuable lessons of how to read the chart on your own. That's the thing. So, if you guys really want to make money, $30 is literally nothing. People I have been, like last live, you can see in the comments, one subscriber in there started with 500,000 peso, is now up 1.1 million peso by just doing the bull run plan. And $30 again, I'm saying, is nothing. So it's up to you. It's your choice. Bull run pre-halving only comes every 4 years of the cycle. So if you're gonna waste your time this time, I'm sorry, you're gonna be missing out a lot because I believe that this is like one of the critical point of the cryptocurrency cycle, in a sense that we're literally getting centralized, right? From the starting of Bitcoin 2009, 2010, 11, 12, that was the discovery phase of Bitcoin. Then we have the first run, diba? And then 17, proper run. Then 2020, yeah, 2020, bull market. There was like combination of everything. And at the same time, the banks, the country, all the governments are slowly accepting Bitcoin and possibly buying into Bitcoin secretly, diba? And now this time around, we're not gonna be the only one playing now. The whole world is playing. So if you are gonna miss out on this chance right now, I cannot say on the next bull run how it's gonna be, because by then it's gonna be centralized. We'll see. Yeah. So again, $30 everyone is nothing. So if you wanna get into premium, you can message me on Instagram, or there's a link right now in the description box. It's up to you. Okay. So hello, Rialika, welcome. Yeah, so let's go back on Bitcoin. So yeah. Again, like we said, let's add in here. Daily. Daily right now have not closed yet. So uh watch out for candle close. Okay. I'm gonna mark this one purple, guys, and let's lock it up. Okay? And full zone. Let me turn on the lights. Hindi ko makita yung... Okay. Alright, so where were we? Let's open the 4-hour candlestick right now. 4-hour candlestick. Can you guys see how the candle closed? Last candlestick, guys, that one, if you have watched the free trading lessons that I have in YouTube right now, which is at the playlist section of YouTube. Okay, if you guys want to learn, for free, there I have lessons in YouTube, so you can check that out. this one is considered a bearish candlestick. All of this, what you're seeing, hello sa mga private students ko, yeah? These are famously the pin bars, yeah? And I'm telling you, once pin bars appear in, certain placements of a chart, it's highly suggesting that the market is having a weakness. So far, if we gather the data, now I'm gonna gather the data of the indicators, guys, because this time, since the daily showed divergence, we can possibly rely on, on the lower time frame. So on the 1 hour, as you guys can see, at the same time with the daily having a divergence, the 4 hour is as well having the divergence. Not only on the RSI is the main, but once you see everyone having that, even the MACD, I'm telling you, ito, sorry, ito, divergence, MACD, not only the lines, but as well the histogram. That's crazy. Yeah? What does it mean? Means prepare for possible drop. I'm not saying that, oh, it can drop like 50K, diba? But there would be weakness which can largely affect our weekly closes. Make sense? Remember the weekly close that I have stated? Okay? Yung 1.3 earlier that I have said, it can largely affect that. So, if we start closing lower prices on the lower time frame, it can lead up to that, on the higher time frame. That's why the weakness will show on the lower time frame, but the final decision will be at the higher time frame. Okay, remember that. So, um, that's for Bitcoin right now. That's why I do not suggest right now to get into Bitcoin. Now, you're late, and that I tell you. So, if you wanna get into that, wait for proper correction. Okay, with Bitcoin. And if you wanna get into something, Ethereum. Okay, but then at the same time, Ethereum is having the same play. Divergences are now there. 4 hour. Let's see the daily. Daily so far, not yet. Okay, not yet. 4 hour is there. Yeah. Now, um, that's why I said that you can invest in Ethereum in altcoins in a sense that if we see the total market cap of the crypto right now, we're literally lacking this much. 17. Yeah, almost like 0.5 trillion. So if you see the Bitcoin dominance, let me open. We had the bounce right around here. So let me open the daily so you guys can see. We are bouncing, but not roughly, roughly having that big movements yet, but it is holding. Okay? The moment, guys, everyone, the moment we have the break at the bottom, that's the time that I can see the market of altcoins will start, moving because the money from Bitcoin is now then gonna be transferring into altcoins. That's why I said earlier, for those who were able to buy like DOT, like Lynch on the lower prices or any coins, diba, that you were able to buy around here, it is not your time yet to sell. If you want to sell Bitcoin, you can. Because it's literally, at the price discovery, it can dump, it can pump. But altcoins, I can tell you to hold. Okay? Anyway, so, hello, Misha. Good evening. Good evening. Darling, si El Salvador lang ata ang transparent. Yeah, El Salvador are one of the, countries that are transparent in buying Bitcoin. But I believe that their USA, particularly USA, have been buying. Okay? So, Mitra 60K pullback. Possibly, like I said, possibly, guys, you can expect for now is the all-time high. So all-time high is 69,500. That area we're gonna have, I tell you, we can have a possible bounce at that area so far, okay, during this time. Mm-hmm. Why this one is not that color chart? Let me, I want it a little bit, Okay. All right. I guess no more question. That's a quick update lang for this, for this evening. I understand it's pretty late in Philippines. Let's have another session, guys. Possibly tomorrow or Friday. But if there's any like, major event, major happening tomorrow, obviously we're gonna have a live. But yeah, Friday. Sige? So that's it for this evening. If you guys have any question, please message me in Instagram. By the way, my Discord is open for free, and at the same time, if you wanna get into premium, you can. Okay. So that's it for this evening, guys. I'll see you next live. Okay, take care everyone and have a good night. Bye bye.